Building systems that run themselves is very, very beautiful. Imagine running a business that operates smoothly without needing your constant input. This is the power of systems that run by themselves. When you create automated processes and frameworks, you free yourself from daily operations and set your business up for sustainable growth. Hi, I'm Sandeep Kerkar, and today we will discuss how to build systems that handle routine operations efficiently, allowing you to focus on innovation and long term goals. By the end of this session, you will learn how to design systems that function without human intervention, use automation tools effectively, and monitor their performance for continuous improvement. Let's get started on building a self-running business system. Designing systems for routine operations, let's take a look. The foundation of a self-running business is a system that can handle repetitive tasks and routine operations without constant oversight. Start by identifying the processes that are essential to your business, things like order processing, customer support, or inventory management. Next, break this task into smaller steps and design a workflow that can be automated or delegated. The goal is to reduce the need for human intervention while maintaining consistency and efficiency. A well designed system isn't just efficient, it's transformative. The importance of detailed planning and process mapping. Let's take a look. Building effective systems begins with detailed planning and process mapping. Document every step of a process from start to finish so you can identify inefficiencies and areas for improvement. Process mapping gives you a clear picture of how your business operates, making it easier to streamline tasks and eliminate redundancies. The more detailed your plan, the more effective your system will be. Rather, there is nothing called right decision or wrong decision. You take a decision and then you have to make it right. You take a decision and you have to prove it right. How does one do it? By clarity. If you are clear in your mind, why are you doing something and what is the purpose of doing, that will identify you to the execution. Then it is not important that when you will execute it, but it is important why you need to execute it. Because you are clear in your mind, then what happens is execution becomes very, very simple. We are very clear that why we want you to have your happiness blueprint, because everybody is searching for happiness, but nobody really talks about where does happiness come from. If I tell you the formula of, let's say, vegetable biryani, that you add this, you add this, you add this, you add this, and you cook it like this, you will get biryani. Similarly, there will be a recipe for happiness, and that recipe will be different for everybody. Your happiness will be different than mine. So you need to design what you want in your happiness, how much portion of health you want in that, how much portion of wealth you want in that, how much portion of happiness you want in that, and do you want something else. So once you start putting these ingredients in, then the planning becomes very, very easy. That's why we want you to make sure that you have your logbook, you have your moodometer, and you have everything whereby you know if you are not happy, why you are not happy, and then you can inculcate or you can include that into your happiness quotient. So let's be clear how much wealth you want, how much health you want, and how much happiness you want. Again and again, we have given you the formula. Health and wealth and happiness, they are all interconnected. And if you want to be happy, the formula is H is equal happiness is equal to wealth into health square. So you need double, triple health, some wealth to be happy. And that's why we are recommending a small setup of network marketing business whereby you start building up your network and you start building your professional income, and at the same time you are concentrating on your health without compromising. And then once you have both these things in position, you attain a blessed situation whereby you know how the happiness can be attracted. More health with some wealth is your happiness, and that's what clarity we want in your happiness blueprint. Let's take a look at leveraging automation tools and technology. Technology is your best ally in building systems that run themselves. Automation tools like CRM software, project management platforms, and inventory tracking systems allow you to streamline operations and save time. And of course, more you ponder, you will create more systems and more software help for creating your automation. From scheduling social media posts to managing customer inquiries, automation ensures consistency and frees up your resources for more strategic activities. Choose tools that align with your business needs and integrate seamlessly into your workflows. Automation isn't just about saving time, it's about scaling effectively. Training employees to work within the system. No system can succeed without the support of your team, isn't it? Training employees to understand and operate within the framework is critical. Ensure that your team knows how to use the tools, follow the processes, and troubleshoot common issues. When your employees are aligned with the system, it becomes more reliable and efficient. This not only boosts productivity but also empowers your team to take ownership of their roles. A well trained team is the backbone of a self running system. Regular monitoring and fine tuning, even the best systems need regular monitoring and adjustments too. Set aside time to review performance metrics, gather feedback, and identify areas for improvement. Fine tune. Fine tuning your system ensures it stays relevant and effective as your business evolves. Remember, systems aren't static, they are dynamic tools that grow with your business. Continuous improvement is key to long term success. A great system, a great system is one that evolves with your goals. Let's take a look at measuring success by business independence. The true measure of a self-running system is how well your business performs in your absence. If your business can operate, grow, and deliver value without you being involved in every detail, you have built a successful system. This independence doesn't just free your time, it gives you the ability to focus on scaling, innovating, or even enjoying the fruits of your labor. A self running business is the ultimate goal of every entrepreneur. To conclude, building systems that run themselves is about designing processes, leveraging technology, and empowering your team to operate independently. When your business can function seamlessly without you, you unlock the freedom to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for joining me today. Let's commit to creating systems that transform how we work and pave the way for sustainable growth. Your business, ladies and gentlemen, your business deserves to thrive. Start building the systems to make that happen.